I'm back. It's Amy. So the experiment didn't go quite like I wanted. I didn't get to finish it. So this is only halfway done, which is this is what we call the ugly stage. If you ever paint with acrylics, you know what I'm talking about. It's like my favorite part is what comes next. I don't like just laying in paint. I like doing like all the shadowing and the shading and the highlighting and all that. So none of that. It has no depth. It has nothing, which is fine. I'm not knocking it. It's just when you paint with acrylics, there's an ugly phase that often lasts for much of the painting. But what happened was I got to a point where the next step is like to put these little splatters like all around the heart. And I was very excited to do that. And it's something that you have to do outside. I did it inside once and totally ruined my kitchen table. I'm not exaggerating. It's ruined. There's paint dots all over it that won't come up, like tiny little white ones. Thank God I wasn't painting with like purple or something. But yeah, I cannot do it inside. I have to do it outside. And I went outside and there's a huge north wind blowing. So first off, it's freezing, which is fine. I could totally suck it up, except that the wind is blowing so strong that I can't like do a splatter and get it on the canvas. So I can't control like where I want the splatter to go. And also my paint is drying like this, which again, if you paint with acrylics, you know, it's like you like Angela says, paint it like you stole it. Like you got to go quick, right? And I can't do that because of the weather. So I know, and I'm like, can I use my garage? No, because we have like this finished floor in the garage, like this special coating and stain and everything. So like most people would probably just splatter paint in their garage. I can't do that either. I don't have any drop cloths. Oh, I'm frustrated. So I don't know if I look any different. I don't know. I didn't get to finish. I did get to paint for about an hour and a half, I think. Yeah, probably about an hour and a half I got to paint. I got halfway through the painting. I promise I'll show it to you when it's done, but I'm not going to be able to post that update today. It'll have to be a day when the weather's better. So maybe there's a reason energetically that I'm supposed to paint tomorrow or the next day. I mean, this is all I can do, right? Is figure if it's not happening today, there's some reason it's not happening today. It's not my fault. It's not the weather's fault. It is what it is, right? So I'm not going to finish the painting today, but I'm sure that I'll finish it soon because I don't like things that are unfinished. So it's not like it's going to sit for a month. I promise you I'll finish it soon. And when I do, I'll show you a picture. And maybe if I think about it, I'll go back and like try to replicate my makeup the same way and wear the same top and jewelry and whatever so we can see if we notice any difference. But anyway, sometimes that happens with experiments. That's why we call them experiments. Sometimes they succeed and sometimes they are thwarted and sometimes they don't produce the results that you wanted. So in this time, we didn't get to carry through the experiment in the way that I intended, but it is what it is. And thanks for being here. And I'll see you in the next update. Bye.